Hello, my friends. I'm glad you decided to watch this video. In this video, I will show you how to remove the BMW e91 Sport or Ma Sport steering wheel airbag. You will need a screwdriver. On the right and left side, push the retaining springs into the holes with a screwdriver. Be careful not to pull the airbag too hard. When the airbag is released, carefully lift it up and you will see two connectors. Carefully disconnect the two connectors. They will disconnect only when the upper brackets are released. Now you can take out the airbag. You can see those connections here. And now you can see the springs that you need to push left and right. And also the places where you need to use a screwdriver. Left. And right. Everything needs to be assembled in reverse. Connect the connectors according to the colors. Put the airbag in place and press evenly until you hear it click into place. Congratulations, everything is done.